looking at a property in Shibuya. This is a foreclosed house. We are going to start renovation on it tomorrow. Let's have a look inside. When the renovation starts, we'll be painting all of these walls, we'll be scrubbing down the ground and the entrance. We'll be putting up a red, nice entrance to really make the front of the house pop. This project is on a $3 million yen budget. So it's a very small budget for the work we have to do here. We'll be keeping the door, which is a fairly old door. Have a look inside at the genkon, or the entrance. We'll be gutting all of these shoe closets out. We want a big, open, happy entrance. We'll be redoing all of the walls. This will be white, open, very, very bright entrance. As we move into the house, we have a toilet that doesn't need a lot of work. It does have the special washlet, and so we won't need to be replacing much in here. This looks fairly updated. We will be doing all white wallpaper. We're going white throughout the whole house because the house is very, very dark. So we want it to be as bright as possible. The bathroom is very, very aged. We will be tearing everything out of this bathroom. We'll be putting up a wall. This will be the shower. There will be no bathtub. We are completely redoing all of the floor. We're going to rip all of this out, and we'll have a nice little sink here to brush your teeth and get ready for the morning. There will also be a sliding folding door, so no more large door that takes up a lot of space, because this is a very tiny space here. As we move into the kitchen, as you can see, the previous residents just moved out. It is in very bad shape. We're going to be redoing all the wiring. We're tearing out any of this. The kitchen is fairly updated. We're going to give it a really good scrubbing down and cleaning. We will tear out all of the electrical and replace it. We're tearing out the floors. We're going to be redoing the ceiling. Over here, we have an add-on. This add-on was not licensed and not legal. It has a lot of leakage and a lot of mold. We're going to tear this wall out. We're going to add two beautiful sliding doors here to add in as much light as possible to the living area. We'll have a beautiful L-shaped couch here with a beautiful window. These shelvings will all be torn out. This will all be redone with beautiful white wallpaper throughout the room. And then the TV will be here. We're putting down white laminate flooring. So we are getting rid of this older laminate flooring that is very wobbly. So they'll be fixing this all up. And then these are storage areas. We will leave these. These are standard in the floor storage areas for fruit, vegetables, and seasonal things, seasonal foods. So next, let's go upstairs. So we will be tearing out all the wallpaper here. We're going to leave the original stairs. They're beautiful wood. We might sand them down if it fits into the budget. We'll be replacing the lights throughout the house. We'll be replacing broken windows, and let's go into the brightest room here. So this room, we will tear out all of the old tatami mats. This room has not been updated in over 50 years. So this is a lot of very, very old things. We will be covering the walls in beautiful white wallpaper. We're going to have a beautiful designer wallpaper here with a beautiful designer bed that will be here, a double bed for the guests. Over here, we're going to have a nice, relaxing, white reclining chair. We're going to gut out all of these closets. So nowadays, we need as much space as we can in Japan. They'll tear out this wall, they'll tear all this out. We're going to have it wallpapered. We can put a little table in there or turn it into a fairly large closet. It is very, very deep. So it'll be nice extra space for the guests. We'll also be replacing all of the windows. We'll tear out all of this plastic that's blocking the view to bring in more natural light. The ceilings will also be completely redone. All of this original woodwork, this Japanese woodwork, will be all sanded down to its natural beauty so that our guests can enjoy that. Over in this room, our neighbors are right next door. So if we open this window, we can clearly see their bedroom. So we have decided to build a wall here, close this and soundproof the entire thing. This will be a beautiful wall. We're putting up designer yellow wallpaper. The double bed will be placed here against this wall. This window will be fully removed. We're ripping out all of the closets. We're ripping all of this out, ripping out all the wood. This again this will be a reading nook. So we'll have some very comfy little chairs in here with a beautiful little lamp, and guests can sit and read. These windows will all be done, and again we'll be tearing off the old plastic, and the entire room will be white. We're covering the ceiling and all the walls in white, minus the yellow accent walls. We are replacing all the flooring in here as well. So we're not going with tatami because tatami is extremely expensive and high maintenance. We are going to put Western flooring in here. This will be a beautiful white bright room. We're putting track lights in to really liven up the room and modernize it. So we look forward to showing you the end product of this very antique home and bring it up to modern day standards. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Devin Norby and I'm with Asistee. Thank you.